Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a power hour for you guys today. I have a list of things that I'm getting ready to show you that I hope to accomplish in this hour. I have a meeting not long from now, so I really only have an hour. And I have a good list that I know I could normally complete in an hour, but having to carry the tripod and all that kind of stuff, I may not get around to everything. My motivational advice for you guys today is to love yourself where you are today and make the most of today. This is an area that I have struggled with recently. The other night I was cleaning and I found this picture of myself, and I remembered that when this picture was taken, I was in a completely different place. I was confident, I felt good, and I longed to be this person again. However, I have to love myself right here where I am today in order to get back to where I want to be. So if I continue on this self-hate path, then I'm not going to accomplish things. If I look in the mirror and I don't like what I see today, then I'm not going to accomplish a lot today, and I'm not going to work toward my goals. So, with that being said, every day when you get up, look in the mirror and love yourself just as you are. And have goals, work toward those goals, but love yourself along the way. Don't hate yourself when you're in a place physically, mentally, that you do not like. Instead of self-hate, love yourself today where you are and work towards your goals. And also, another thing that's been on my mind is that sometimes we think, if I get a new car, I'm going to be happy, or if I get a bigger house, I'm going to be happy. And guys, I have realized that that is not true. I have dealt with that materialistic battle my entire life, and when I get the material item that I want, there's just another material item. So love the things that you have and treat them well, and just be yourself. Doesn't matter where you are, love yourself today. So that's just my little motivation for today. So now I'm going to show you what I hope to accomplish in my hour. I made out a list because I do better if I make out a list, and I'm not sure if you can see it or not. I'm gonna there we go. Not sure if you can see it, so I'm just going to kind of read it to you. But the first thing that I need to do is take everything off my makeup table and clean it very well. I need to clean up the master bathroom, not do a deep clean. I just need to pick up in there and clean the countertops and the mirror. I need to clean up in the master bedroom. I just need to finish making up the bed and just tidy up a little bit. I need to do a load of laundry, at least get that started, and I need to put a load of laundry that I already have. I need to put that away. I need to polish my dining room table. It's kind of been a catch-all lately, especially with the organizational stuff that I've been doing. I need to clean up the kitchen. I need to clean up this desk that I'm sitting at right now, and polish that. I need to just dust the living room, just clean it up a little bit. I need to clean up the guest bathroom. Again, not a deep clean. I just need to clean the mirrors and the sink. And then I need to clean the desk in my husband's office. So this is what I am trying to accomplish in that hour. So let's get busy cleaning. Okay, so my start time was 4:34. I am just going to take everything off my makeup table and clean it and put everything back. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that Now I'm just moving into the master bedroom to wipe down the sinks and clean the mirror and just tidy up a little bit.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
It is now 4:44, so I am going to move into the master bedroom, finish making up the bed, and just dust a little bit.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights, I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. I came sweet.
The time is now 4:48, so I am polishing the dining room table, and I decided also to just quickly dust my entryway table.
I'm the best for a while, trying to please everyone else around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest, but I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
The time is now 4:50, and I am starting a load of laundry. Now I'm just going to move into the kitchen to wipe down the countertops and clean up a little bit and clean my kitchen table off.
I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Standing on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broken. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
It is now 5:06, so I am just going to take things off of my desk and put them away and polish it very quickly.
Something has to change in order to move on. Something's gotta give. You hurt the ones you love the most. What kind of thing to say? What kind of game to play? If love is what you fear the most, then you're in trouble. Yes, you're in trouble. 'Cause you don't know what you're doing to me. Should have made it clear a long, long time ago. Out of love, and now it's plain to see.
Now I am just quickly moving into the living room, straightening the pillows that the dogs knocked off, and just dusting and tidying up a little bit.
Can somebody come and see me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose.
Now it is 5:11, and I am going to just clean the mirror and clean the sink in the guest bathroom.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who's to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, you will shout it out.
Now I'm just quickly going to dust off my husband's desk.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger.
Now it is 5:18 and all that I have left to do is to put a load of laundry away.
Much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you
It is 5:21 and I have officially finished my to-do list. I meant to check it off as I was going along, but I got busy and I forgot, so I'm very excited because I beat my time by a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you are new, I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Just click on that subscribe button. It's completely free. And if you like videos like this one, click the thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today.